What's up, guys? I'm just gonna wash the car really quick and then go fill up with some gas. And then for today's video, we're probably gonna try to get some runs in with some different cars. I'm gonna go try to find a couple things to run. I've got a couple buddies who I'm trying to get to make some videos with, so we'll see how it goes. See if I can convince those guys to come out. But yeah, we're gonna be trying to get some runs in for today's video, so that you guys can see what the Accord can actually do, and how many feelings it can hurt. So yeah, the car is still pretty bone stock, so we're gonna be doing all our runs today with the K-tuner short ram intake the K-tuner, the short ram intake, the wheels, the tires. It's on NK Rygens 18x8 on Sumitomo HTR All Seasons P03, and those tires are a lot better than stock, I think. They're not as good as like Pilot Sport All Seasons, but I think they're a pretty good option for what they cost. So yeah, I would recommend those. I didn't think I was going to like them that much, but they're pretty good tires, so shout out Sumitomo. And yeah, so we've got those for quote-unquote mods. I mean, the only mods really are the intake and the tune, but we got wheels and tires too. They're light rims, so that's a little bit of weight reduction. We're going to take the spare out, and we're probably going to be running on like a half tank of gas because, you know, this is a Honda. We got to be light. So yeah, that's going to be our setup for all the runs today. And yeah, I'm going to wash the car and go fill up, and I'll see you guys after that. Alright guys, we're actually heading to Best Buy right now to get a GoPro so that we can actually make some in-cabin content without me dying, because I have to drive with one hand. So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. Go get a GoPro and a head mount, hopefully. And then I think we're gonna meet up with one of the homies, and he's got a 428, 2015 428i Grand Coupe, and I think we're gonna try to get a run in with that car, which should be pretty cool. So yeah, we'll try to do that, because I think it'll be cool if we get a run in. Well, he's stock right now, but if we get a run in, well, he's stock and I'm intake tune, and then we do another run once, because I think he's planning to mod it a little bit. Once he gets his mods, I think he's going to do like an intake and a tune and a blow-off valve for some turbo noises and a little extra power. But once he gets his mods in, and once I go full bolt-on, we can do another run and see how both the cars responded to their mods or whatever. See how well both our builds do, basically. So I think that'll be pretty cool. Yeah. So we're going to meet up with the homie and grab a GoPro right now, and then I just washed the Accord, but I think we're gonna wash his car and then probably go film some runs. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope this is a good video for you guys. I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, this is, I guess, just a test for the GoPro. I just got it, so we're seeing how it looks. I just washed the car and just got the GoPro. Clean the rims. So yeah, we're gonna be waiting until it gets a little bit later, and then we're gonna go out and we're gonna try this thing out and see how it goes. I got the head strap and the Hero 10, so hopefully it's pretty cool. Alright guys, what's up? Roll the windows up and get rid of that wind noise. We are about to be out and about, and we'll see what we see. So yeah, Might do a couple of quick pulls or something to warm up the tires and stuff. Person's car just died. I heard it ticking, and then they just put their fucking shit on and slowed down and got over. Their car is falling apart, guys. See, we're just spinning. Need to warm the tires up. But yeah, I'll be back if I find anything cool, guys. Got a Mustang. Maybe we could race this guy, huh? Looks like a 2010 or something. Let's see what's up with it. Wish we could catch him at a light so we could get it from a dig. Let's see if we can get a run in with this Mustang, if this fucking SUV would get out of here. This RAV4. I don't think they want it, fellers. I think they're scared of the Accord. So that's probably that for that race, but I'm pretty sure that's like a 2010 V6. That might be like a 2011 V6, I don't know though. I think it might be a 4.0 or a 3.7. It could even be a 4.6, but I have no idea what the fuck's in that thing, so yep, that's that. Let's see if they'll run us from a dig. We're lined up with the Mustang, boys. Lined up. We're lined up, fellers. I've got the GoPro just strapped to my head sideways, so that's probably a pretty fucking useless angle, but we'll see. I think that's a pretty good angle right there. So this is the Accord versus the Mustang from a dig now. Let's see how we do. We waxed them, boys. We waxed them. We beat the Mustang hard as fuck from a roll, and then we beat him from a dig too. We're just faster. That's what we are. We're some Honda boys, and we're just faster. Alright guys, so this was pretty much just like a test run video for the GoPro. So I was kind of just trying to practice recording with it and figure out how to get good angles with it and stuff. So the content will definitely keep coming and getting better, and I'll probably honestly try to make more and more. We're going to try to get as many race videos in as we can, really, run as many things as we can, and we're going to build the Accord right here on this YouTube channel. You can follow this Accord being built. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.